Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it here. When you just click on menu, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on general, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on language, come here to translation and correction here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean translation and correction disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.